Hello people of the internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to thrift flip this blue shirt real quick. So first I drew a horizontal line right under the armpit seam. Then going from the sides I measured 6 centimeters and I drew a vertical line up from that point. At this vertical line, I went up another 6 centimeters and I marked it. Then I connected those marks by drawing another horizontal line. Then going from the sides in, I marked 3 centimeters on that same line and I connected those points with the points on the horizontal line below. Then going down from the top horizontal line, I marked 18 centimeters and I drew another horizontal line there for my underbust. And from that underbust line, I went another 20 centimeters down and drew another line there. I cut off the excess fabric and the sleeves, and then I cut the whole shape out. I already have it ironed down here, but I just folded the edges inside about half a centimeter and then I folded it again about another 2 centimeters. That not only created a nice clean edge, but also a tunnel that gave me an option to apply elastic later on if I wanted to, which I didn't know yet at this point if I would or not. It looked like this, and I also zigzag stitched the little underarm edges. Then with the sleeves, I cut the cuff part off, cutting right above that bottom placket. I cut the sleeve apart at the original seam and I zigzag stitched all around it. Then I folded the curved edge in, just enough to fit my elastic. The bottom edge I folded in about half a centimeter and then again another 2 or 2.5 centimeters and I sewed it down, right at the edge. Then I left the space for elastic and I sewed with a straight stitch again. This created a clean finish for the inside of the sleeve too. Then I cut 2 elastics, and always remember rather cutting elastic a bit longer than you need, because you can always make it shorter, but if it's too short to begin with, there is nothing much you can do about it. So I pulled the elastic through the tunnel, or well, both of them, and I sewed the edges down, securing the elastics inside. Then I decided to shear the upper part of the top from the top down to the underbust horizontal line, starting at the bottom plackets. If you don't know how to shear fabric, there are many YouTube videos explaining that, and it's not really complicated, it's just very time consuming. This is what it looked like after I tied the ends and cut the excess threads off. I added another 3 buttons and buttonholes, because I just thought it would look better like that. It was time to finally attach the sleeves. With the right size facing, I pinned the sleeves to those short little underarm edges of the top. I also finished up the side seam of the sleeve, and this is what it all looked like. Then when I tried it on, the top was very loose at the back and it wouldn't hold up very good. So I was thinking about shirring part of the back too, but I honestly couldn't be bothered with that anymore, so I decided to instead just create a big dart at the back. Sewing that dart created this back, and even though I didn't mind it and even kinda liked it, I decided to straighten the back and make it same as it was at the front. And it was basically done. The shirring took forever, but I think it was worth it because the top came out looking quite nice and sort of cottagecore like. And the sleeves are wearable both ways, up and off the shoulders too, so this makes for a perfect summer top, I think. Anyways guys, if you like this one, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment and subscribe if you are not yet, and I'll see you next week. Bye!